Hi everyone, welcome back, or if you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a new skincare video. In today's video, I will be talking about the skincare brand. I got my hands into the products of this brand called Reequil. I have been using their face wash. This is the oil control acne face wash, and their hyaluronic acid ceramide and mango butter moisturizer from the month of October. If you have followed my last videos, you would know I have shown this in a haul video. So I have taken my own sweet time across these weeks. It has been almost more than 2 months now. I'm using these two products and I have my thoughts on these two things. So if you want to know what all thoughts I have for these products, and without any further ado, let's just get started with the video. About the brand little bit, Reequil is a made in India, dermatologically tested, clinically proven actives brand. Coming to the first product which I have is this Reequil oil control and acne prone skin face wash. You can see already how much I have used from this bottle. Firstly, the price. This product is priced at rupees 450 for 200 ml of product, which is not bad because I'm using this for long, and you can see how much is still left in the bottle. It did not have a unique cartoon outside. It comes in a plastic bottle with all the ingredient list, price, and the claims of that non-comedogenic, acne prone and oily skin face wash, sulfate free, soap free, everything mentioned on the top part. In the back there is mentioned the ingredients, how to use it, directions, price, expiry date, manufacture date, and all the other necessary details. The ingredient list is clearly mentioned. The first ingredient, second ingredient, everything is very clear in this bottle. Now talking about this product, it is gel based face wash. Gel in the sense it's not very sticky gel, it's a fluid gel sort of consistency. This face wash has a very gentle smell, so it's like you don't feel that excess perfume thing in this one. It has fragrance, but the fragrance is not something that will irritate your face. The face wash smells like water, it's like aqua, and even in the ingredient list it has mentioned aqua as its first ingredient, then cocamidopropyl. I'm not going in depth with the chemical properties of this one because I'm not a professional. I don't want to go into those things. But this face wash is very gentle on the skin, and as it suggests, it's for oily to acne prone skin type. I am a oily to combination skin type person. I have used many face washes which control oil on the face, but this one does not rip off excess moisture from the skin, which is the best thing about this face wash. I feel I use it morning and night, twice a day, every day. This face wash is very gentle. It balances the moisture level on the skin by taking out the excess oil from the skin. Just after I wash my face with this one, my face feels squeaky clean, and the T-zone where I actually gather a lot of oil feels very deeply cleaned from the oil. You can use it for dry skin as well, but I don't know how it will feel on the dry skin because I am not a dry skin type. And also this is a non-comedogenic face wash, which means that it does not clog your pores. All in all, this is a good face wash, and if someone is looking for a oil-based cleansing face wash, then you can definitely try your hands on this one. This is on budget, below 500, and offers a good amount of product, and all in all, good one. The second product which I have from Reequil is the Reequil Ceramide Mango Butter and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. It comes in a unique cartoon like this. It is priced at rupees 350 for 100 gram of product, which is not bad. I'll show you the tube in a bit. The box as well has mention of all the ingredients, the batch number, expiry date, manufacture date, etc. In the front part there's mentioned all the details like it is non-comedogenic, it's for normal to dry skin, it's this and that and etc things. Here it's mentioned that all the lab tested ingredients and dermatological tested, whatever extra, same as the face wash. Now when you open this one, the inner packaging comes in a plastic tube like that, like this. I have used lot of product, like you can see, I think this much amount is left. Can't understand because it comes in a opaque package, but I have used lot of product. Again, I use this day and night, every day, every time. This moisturizer smells actually like butter. I love the smell, absolutely love the smell. Now coming to the ingredients, the top 3 ingredients of this moisturizer is hyaluronic acid, which is a humectant, which means it traps all the water from the environment and it seeps deep into your pores. It hydrates your skin. The second one, which is ceramide. Ceramide is a lipid which creates a barrier on your skin from harmful chemicals, harmful environment, etc. And it also deeply moisturizes the skin. And mango butter, which is again a moisturizer known for nourishing the skin and all other multiple good properties. It smells actually like mango butter, as I was saying. It mentions all the ingredients. Obviously I'm not going to read all the ingredients, but it has Magnifera indica mentioned in the 3rd or 4th, I guess, or 5th maybe, and it has
capryc, triglycerides, mistral, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. These all are hyaluronic acids and multiple other things. Now how it has helped.
I have been using this moisturizer in normal days, in this transition period, and during my period days where I usually break out a lot on my jawline. This moisturizer nourishes the skin so well, and I am a combination to oily skin type person, which means I get very dry on the peripheries of my face, on my cheeks, on my chin area, apart from the T-zone area. So as it suggests, it's for normal to dry skin. This hydrates and moisturizes the dry parts of my face very well. My mom is a dry skin type. She used this. It was beneficial for her as well. If you are from extremely oily skin type, then I would say to stay away from this one, because this is a heavy moisturizer and it might clog your pores and it will be very heavy on your skin. The only problem which I have with this one is the mask name, because it is a heavy moisturizer. When I apply it on days when I am going out and I wear the mask, I get mask acne in my jaw area, like, because this is a heavy moisturizer. So recently, after watching Jovita's video, I have started using a separate moisturizer which is very lightweight on my face when I go out. That has helped in the mask, and this moisturizer didn't give me any breakouts whatsoever anywhere on my skin. It is extremely good, and on days when I want to apply serums, I apply this moisturizer and top it off with vitamin C serums or other serums which I use occasionally. It works so well with this one. But I would again like to mention that if you are from extremely oily skin type, then you might not like this one. This will be heavy, and other than that, it's really good from normal to combination to dry skin type person. I wear this moisturizer underneath my makeup and it just makes my skin so smooth, so nice. Like, this one is a must buy moisturizer on a budget. It's just 300, below 300. Once I'm done with this one, I'll definitely go ahead and buy the same thing once again, because I absolutely love this one. With that, we are done for this video. I hope these reviews were helpful for you. I'll mention everything, the prices, the website, everything in the description box below. So you can definitely go ahead, click that and check it out over there. And also if you did, then don't forget to hit the big fat thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell notification just beside it to stay updated every time when I upload new videos. Comment down below and let me know if this video was helpful for you, and I will be highly obliged to create more such helpful content for you all. And until next time, lots of love. Also, don't forget to share this video. Bye.